caught on camera. Police have opened an investigation into a video that shows juveniles firing BB or airsoft guns towards people in Jackson. A warning, this piece does have images that viewers could find disturbing. WJTV 12's Gerald Harris sat down exclusively with JPD Chief James Davis for his reaction.
A video spreading on social media is gaining the attention of law enforcement.
It appeared to look like juveniles.
Teenagers and some even younger are seen in this video pointing and firing what appears to be BB or airsoft guns at people along the street.
Those guns look real, and it'll be a very, very bad situation if an individual ride up on a police officer and point their guns. He's going to take the appropriate action. Not only that, our regular citizens that exercise an open carry law, they will take action.
And as you can see on video, one of the alleged incidents happened right here on Woodrow Wilson Avenue and MLK Drive, outside of this convenience store.
Encourage citizens, if you see anything of that nature where people are driving throughout your community, hanging out the window of their cars, pointing guns, please, please call the police.
The individual who posted the videos from an Instagram page even shows his face in one of them, leading police to his identity.
And that person is subject to being charged with creating fear.
Those involved could face a fine of $1,000 and up to a year in jail.
If you see one of your kids in that video, take the gun from them and please educate them on the importance of don't ever point a gun. It's against the law. And don't create fear in your own community.
No one has been physically hurt from these incidents. However, if you know anything about it, you are urged to call Jackson Police. In Jackson, Gerald Harris, WJTV 12.